Dalhin mo, mana.
Oh. Okay. This is
Da-
from
Ang ganda ng paper bag, ah. May laman ba yan?
Tito ni ng June. Happy birthday, Alexa.
Ang ganda ng paper bag ni Bayot, ah.
Sirain yung paper.
Kaya nga, eh.
Magagamit mo yun.
It's a color. It's a color pick.
Ah, coloring book?
Yes, coloring book. I just hurt myself. But it's frozen.
Hindi naman kasi
I need some
binayaran ng
markers.
paper bag.
Or like, oh yeah, there's pencil inside. There's more pencil.
Glitters.
Wow, maganda yung pencil na yan, oh. Oh, next. Balik mo dito. Babigyan mo dito kay balik sa paper bag. Dalhin mo dito lahat. Oh, yung cute ng bag na yun, oh. Ayan, oh. Banig. Basahin mo muna. To Alexa.
From Ken.
Ah, kay Ken.
Sino si Ken?
Sige, buksan mo.
Yung kapitbahay namin.
Bahay ko dyan. Markers! So I can color the frozen now.
Hindi, balibigay mo kay Chi.
Akin na.
Look.
Okay. Oh, wag ka tingin pa siya sa'yo. Akala mo naman kukunin.
Wow! May bag pa. Galing. Pangit ang bag.
Ang away. Ang away. Oh, basahin mo.
Don't tell me there's no...
Walang name.
Teddy bear.
Akin na. Tanggalin ko yung scotch tape. Kumuha ka ng iba.
No, I cannot.
Masisira yung paper bag. Sayang.
Okay, open it. I'll just put this.
Hindi kami hirapan maghanap.
I'll do another try.
Oh, basahin mo muna bago mo buksan. Maganda yung paper bag, oh.
Wait. It's a tie together.
Bigyan mo rin sila.
Ano yan?
Alexa, love, Ethan. Na.
Happy birthday, Alexa. Love. Andre. Bigyan mo sa kanya. Hindi pa niya nakita yan. Buksan, katanggalin mo lang yung paper bag.
Ano ba?
Scotch tape. O, akin na yan. Magkapatid pala yan ang bigay.
Wait, can I see? Can I see? Wait, can I open?
Oxygen.
Wala nang laman. Oh, may laman pa pala.
Sali mo lang ng paper bag.
Ano is pa?
The Hello Kitty. Is it Hello
Ano
Kitty?
is pa pala eh. Madami. Wow. Merry Christmas.
I have nothing to say.
Tulala na siya. I have nothing to say.
Si Chromie, si Lukiti nagsama.
Wala na. That's for Ethan. Ayun pa.
Oh yeah, this one.
Wala pa kumuha pa ng bulletin kasi
Can you help?
sayang ito.
Why is there? Why are there? There. Are these from the flowers you gave?
Hindi ko na, dali, okay na. The last one.
Anong last one?
Ang ganda naman ng pagkaano nito.
No?
Tingin mo na lang. Dun sa...
Hindi, inipit nila. Pinasok lang nito.
Oh.
Pinasok ko nila.
Sisira na lang.
Okay. They just gave me a cute little headband.
Next.
I'm just gonna put that later.
Dito mo pasuotin ako ngayon na.
Clips! They got clips. So, they just gave me
Ayan. Bagay yan sa'yo, lahat.
Oh.
Uy, bato masakit.
Little boy.
Daming naman, ah.
Pink. Oh my god, they match like
Ah, hindi na kayo mag-away
Romy
dalawa.
and Melody.
Okay, next.
That's it.
Oh, next. Open.
I'm gonna do this one. Looks
Sinong pangalan muna?
pangalan.
Name.
From Rafi.
Ayan.
Oh, open mo.
Borrow scissors.
Baka na.
Borrow
Huwag
scissors.
na ikaw mag-upuntik pa yung daliri mo.
Kaya mo siya.
Okay.
Huwakan mo yung paper bag.
Yung buntik talaga ay
Kung binigay mo na lang, dito pus ka na. Sige, tuloy. Sige.
matalas.
Uy.
What's that?
Wait, it's like a... It's a
Siyempre. Pag ayaw mo na.
Wow! Ang ganda oh.
Kasya sa akin.
Nandiyan si Mera.
Kasya sa
The mayor.
You see?
Yay,
Thank
mamaya.
you, Rafi.
Super bag, akin na. Next.
I'm gonna do a red one. It's so
Saan galing muna? Name muna.
name
Wala din.
Tita Candy.
Tita
It's
Candice?
T-A-
Tita Candy. The sister of Dada.
Scissors.
Please.
This.
Huwag kami paper bag. Up mo.
Wow, kainin natin yan.
Bilisan mo na kayo, nagugutom na si Lulu. Stop. Ayan, nabigyan mo kay Nainay.
Hindi, never. Never in your life.
Hindi ka naman kumakain, mahilig yan eh.
Wow.
I'll give this to Nana. Not to Nana.
Nati Candy. Ayan. O, bigyan mo yung hindi mo kinakain.
I'm gonna give this to Tot. I'm gonna give this to myself.
Ah, next.
I'm gonna roll that back.
Lagay mo lang dyan, picture na natin.
Okay.
Next.
Please.
Basahin mo. Wala din pangalan.
Wala. Wala nga.
Ah. Ah. Kaya. Kaya ba?
Meron pa, oh.
Kaya ba?
Okay, put it there. Are you ready for this?
What's that? Taas mo.
That's why
Pagupit siya ng buhok. Ano yan?
Di ba basa? Tapos,
it has a happy birthday cake.
baka mabasa.
Kanino galing yan? Wala.
Wala, I don't know.
O, balik mo na.
Ayun, may pangalan na sa
Wala eh.
liit.
Saan?
Ano liit?
Wala, walang pangalan.
There is po.
Ah, di battery. Ay, that's
Tulad
ano.
sa akin, may ganyan ako.
Yeah.
Doon naman sa akin.
Meron yan tayo nun.
Mary.
O, next.
Lampshade.
Yung sa kanya, may ganyan. Binigay sa akin.
Ganyan ako.
This only have leaves. This one is
Saan galing?
wala din.
Walang pangalan?
Wait, this is big. It's like a water bottle. It looks like a water bottle to me.
May tumbler. Maganda yan.
Can you just stop? I don't know anything.
You don't know anything, ah?
Pala yun nung kay Nina.
Linda, it's not yours.
Ang away. Ang away. Ang asar kasi.
Iba-iba kulay.
Paano i-open?
Lying.
Paano i-open? May pangalan. Ayan oh, sa taas oh. Ayan sa paper bag. Oh.
From Baby Alexa. Kuya Yale. Huh?
Ah, Kuya Yael. The brother of ano, Ate Krisha.
Do you know how you open it?
You know. Try it. How?
I don't know.
Ah, bigay mo kay Nainay. Kaya hindi mo alam i-open.
Yes.
Wait, it's like that.
Ah, it's like that pala, Nainay.
You think like you can open here, but if someone steals your water bottle, you don't know what to do. They think they're gonna press it, but you need to open it.
Ah, see? Nainay kasi.
I'm smarter than her.
Ah, she's smarter than you, Nainay.
I'm smarter than
Mga April talaga.
Ano, globe.
Mga April talaga. Matira matibay next.
I'm smarter. Just have to call
Kaya I'm
it
smartest.
Ang cute ng bag oh. Kanino galing?
Johan.
Open mo.
It looks like a snake. You. Just you. Can somebody help? Can I give her the card?
Lagyan mo dun. Asan yung gunting? Yung scissors?
Gunting!
Tawagin mo.
Hindi, it's like this.
Ah, pinasok uli. Ah, bigay mo.
Okay. Oh my god. They just gave me pencils.
What's that?
Sure.
Pencil. And then
And?
this is like computer thing.
What's that? It's a game.
Wait, I know that game. I know this game. I know this game. I know this game. Should I put the stickers later? Because you need to do like this. If you have the same, if you tap to, if they're the same, you get it and put it here. So if it's not the same, flip it again back.
Basta una ako nang uumalay ko ba sa game na yan. Oh, put it
Don't
back in
even
the
do
box.
anything. You don't even
Put it
know.
back in the box first. Wala
Wait,
na.
there's like, oh,
Put it back in the box.
wait. Later.
You're done na?
Tapos na eh. You put it in box kasi I will bring it here because I'll take a
Wait, there's
picture.
something
There's
more.
pa?
Crayons.
Ayan, huwag mo na anuhin yan.
What's
You
your
use that.
favorite color? Vote now.
You use that in your school na.
Wait, this is like Lego. This.
Naku, yan na naman yung ligo na maliit.
Cinnamon!
Yan na naman yung ligo na malulait na sakit sa ulo.
Oh, sakto sa ulo naman eh.
Yeah, it's small kasi. Dami ah.
Ano?
Oh, dami.
Dami sakit sa ulo.
Dami sakit sa
Oh,
ulo.
put it back na.
Pagod na hindi na tayo-tay.
Bye-bye.
Wala kang
Thank
binigay.
you. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, follow, and do everything. Bye. Na.
Yan guys, yan yung mga, ay, yung kamay ko pala. Yan yung mga nakuha niyang gift. Yan, sa kanyang birthday. Yung iba nasa
And there's the
paper.
backpack in the back.
Lagay mo dyan. Yan, thank you so much. What did you say to them?
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for the gift.
Yeah, thank you for the gift or thank you for
And thank you
watching.
for coming to my
Birthday. Bye.
Bye. Out. And that's all the gift from Alexa's birthday yesterday.
Party. Ready party.
Thank you sa inyo mga gift. Tuwang-tuwa siya. Lahat gusto niya yung gift niyo. Maraming salamat sa gift.
Na. Thank you, Ninang Sally, for this gift.
You see me in the mid. Shoot to them. That's her dress on
For my birthday party.
on her birthday party. Sponsor ni Ninang.
This is my gift for my birthday party.
Yan, yan o, heels niya. Sponsor by?
Ubu.
Sponsor by?
Ubu.
Sponsor by Ninang?
Sally.
Did you say?
Thank you.
Bye-bye na.